This video will show you how to create a class and student accounts. Student accounts are generated automatically when a class is set up. First, click Admin, and then Classes. Click the plus sign and complete the fields below. Type your class name. Select the curriculum focus for coding and the curriculum focus for math. The curriculum focus helps with the artificial intelligence recommendations, but it does not affect your ability to set challenges to your students at any grade level. You still have access to the full catalog of Mangahigh curriculum. You can select the number of students you'd like to create in your class. You can also give students the option to personalize their username. If you don't want them to see this option, just check the box. If you do give them the option to change their username, you have to validate it before the change appears. Click Generate Logins to set up the class. Your class list appears on the far right panel, and the new class name is listed with your other classes. You'll want to hand out login cards to your students so that they can access their account. When you click Print, a PDF will download with their usernames, passwords, and website to get onto Mangahigh. When you click Download, you'll receive a spreadsheet that has your entire class list with their username and passwords for your own records. Please contact us at support@mangahigh.com if we can help you create a class and student accounts.